Hi, this is Debbie Baker. If you've been watching, you know that, but for those who've never seen me before, I'm still Debbie Baker. Um, I've practiced estate planning and probate, and something I've learned over the years. In fact, one of the things that first excited me about doing this part of the profession was to work with families with young children, young meaning minor. Um, either really minor like birth or up to 17 years and 364 days. Because here's what I learned as I was getting started. A person told a story about the fact that she and her husband had been out and they were in a car accident. Nothing deadly. Nobody was killed. No. But they weren't getting home that night to relieve the babysitter. And she's an attorney. And what she realized was that was not good because the babysitter had no legal authority, no paperwork to use in the event that anything happened to those children. She wasn't 18, which means she was a minor, which complicates things. And B, the parents had left nothing with her that said, here's who to call to come be with them, or here's a piece of paper that says you can take them to the hospital if they fall down and they need medical attention. Again, nothing serious, but they need medical attention, or any other thing that might have come up. And she became adamant about helping families with young children create documents where parents named temporary guardians, gave them medical powers of attorney, and gave them healthcare surrogates. And what happens is, and I think this is nationwide, but if you've got a minor child and they're at home, even by themselves at an age when they're allowed to be home, and something happens to a parent, okay, the police have no choice without proper documentation about who should come in but to take those children out of the home and put them into foster care, even if it's only for a few hours while they find somebody who can come be with them. The foster care could be close to perfect, which would be hard. But consider if your child is already traumatized by the fact that you've been hurt and you're not coming home that night, and now somebody strange comes to take them out of their home and put them with more strangers while their aunt or your best friend is driving for 2 hours to come get them, do you really want them to experience that when it can be avoided? So, the thing I recommend to my families who have young children is they establish who those people will be. I have a client right now who chose a sister in law who lives 3 hours away. Well, that's great. But I said, you want to find somebody who lives in the neighborhood. So if something happens, that person has the authority to come stay with them while the sister in law, is driving 3 hours. It's not a difficult process. It can be hard because people feel obligated to choose family members to do those things. Family members may not be the best choice for lots of reasons, not to be gone into here. But I just recently did a video on 18-year-olds needing their own documents. Well, this is for that population that lives in families that's under 18. And parents take a chance, a small chance, an unlikely chance that something will happen that will keep them from getting home at night or getting home from work. And their children are at the mercy of a legal system that wants to protect them and really doesn't have the resources. If you have minor children and want to talk about it, and you're in Florida especially, I can help you. But if not, you can reach me. I think there's something scrolling across the bottom of this screen that gives my contact information. And It's just something to consider. Meanwhile, again, not the lightest conversation to have. I wish you a wonderful day. I appreciate your watching. We appreciate, that's me and the guy who does my video, that you like, comment, and share. And just be blessed. Thanks.